People often ask when spring lawn care starts, and in all honesty, it depends. You know, it's not the calendar that tells you when your lawn's going to wake up. It's the conditions, it's the environment, it's your actual garden, and there's one alarm clock you can use to tell you exactly when the perfect time is for you to actually get out and start doing things to your lawn in spring. And it's these fellas here, spring bulbs. So the first thing to consider then is where you're going to plant your bulbs, and I'm going to be using this dead flower bed over here because it's right next to both of my lawns, and actually it's this side of the garden that gets the most shade. So when these fellas start to wake up, I know that the lawn adjacent to it is going to be doing the same. Now ideally you'd have wanted to have started this process a little bit earlier, let's say November time, but it doesn't really matter. Even though we're in December at time of recording, possibly January at time of posting, the conditions are still not too bad. Through Jan you can still plant bulbs and they're still going to come through in spring, because like I've already said at the start of this video, it's not always about the calendar, it's about the actual conditions that we've got. And I think after posting this, I know we've got some frosts coming and things which aren't really ideal conditions, but as long as you've got a fairly mild day doing this process, it's definitely worth it. There we go, there's a few little bits left behind, but any of that organic matter, it's just going to decompose and add to the microbial activity in the soil. But there we go, the soil is prepped. The beauty of these fellas is that you can plant them in the ground today, and they're going to kind of sit there and wait and bide the time, and they're only going to come through when the temperatures are right. And temperature is everything when it comes to not just lawn care but gardening in general. If you've not got the temperature, things aren't going to grow. So as soon as these fellas start to come through, we know it's go time for everything else. And that's why I'm saying that bulbs are your spring lawn care alarm clock, because once those temperatures are right and the bulbs start to come through, it means that your grass is going to start to actively grow as well. But not just the grass, other things on and in your lawn too. So stuff like weeds that you might have, moss that starts to grow and starts to thrive and spread around. And it's your indicator to do everything. You can start feeding your lawn, you can start actually killing the weeds off, because up until the temperatures are right, weeds aren't going to grow, your grass isn't going to grow, nothing really is going to happen. So it sort of avoids you having to waste your time or start too early doing more damage to your lawn than you might actually be doing good. Gardening and lawn care isn't a one size fits all. If you've got quite a shady garden like I have, then spring's going to start a lot later than what it would if this garden was in full sunlight. You can't copy what someone does exactly to the date. You've got to consider your own conditions and what's right for your garden at what time. So once you've got all your holes, then it's time to start putting your bulbs in place. And it's that simple. All you've got to do is just make sure when you put them in the ground, you put them in with the pointy end facing upwards. And you can obviously go with whatever colours you want. So we've got daffodils here, but we've also got a few other fellas as well, loads of different colours, just to give the bed a little bit of variety. So I've got no real plan for this. I'm just going to go quite random with where to place them. The last thing to do now is to fill in all of the holes, and what you can do is use the plugs that you pulled out earlier or any of the soil that you've got just to fill in over the top to make sure they're covered for the rest of the winter. Some of the plugs must have got stuck in the plugger because they're a bit wet, so got a bit of compost just to chuck in the last few holes. May as well use the rest of the bag just to add a bit of soil on top. This is not really necessary, it just saves having that open bag of compost out in the garden for the rest of the winter. So there we go, the spring alarm clock is set and it is now just a waiting game. And once these fellas come through, we know it's going to be the optimum time to actually get out, start doing things to our gardens. But I know a lot of people who are subscribed to this channel are after doing things to the lawns, and it'll just stop you wasting time, it'll stop you wasting money. And if you've got any other advice or any other tips as to how to know when the best time is to start lawn care, then drop a comment in the comment section down below, because it'll help out anyone who's subscribed to this channel. And if you haven't subscribed already, consider subscribing, because We've already got loads of lawn care, loads of gardening stuff on this channel for novices like myself, and I've got loads of stuff already planned ready for 2026 to actually give you guys a good rounded view as to how to maintain your lawns in the right way, in the easiest way, and also how to do the same in your garden too. So if that takes your fancy, like and subscribe, and finally, thanks for watching.